Yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing us how you can do staking in Binance. Okay, for those of you who are actually into cryptocurrency, and there are several ways you can actually make money via cryptocurrency, and one of the ways is by staking your coin. And yeah, most times you hear people talk about buying and holding your coin, okay, whereby you buy a coin, you hold it for a long time, waiting for the price to go up, then you sell it at a profit. Now, it is advisable while you are holding your coin that you stake them, alright? And what that means is that you are investing your coin. So it's not just all about buying and holding coin. It is also important that you learn how you can invest your coin so you make more profit or more money while you are still holding your coin. Alright, so that is what I'm going to be showing us in this video, how you can actually stake your coin in Binance. Alright, and so if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. That's the notification button, so you can always get notification each time I drop a new video. Alright, and so let's quickly go into how you can actually stake your coin in the Binance platform. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is you come to Binance.com. Okay, you come to Binance.com. Then you log in. Of course, you must already have an account. You must also already have some coins in your wallet. Okay, you come to your wallet, you have some coin already. I'm already logged in. That's why you are seeing all this. So I'm already logged in. So if you want to stake your coin, you go to finance, you come to finance, you come to N, come to Binance N. Alright. So when you come to Binance N, it's going to show you a lot of other ways you are going to earn through make money. So we are going to look at staking. Okay, staking is one way you can actually make money on Binance. Alright, so you can click here to view more about staking on Binance, what it takes to stake on Binance. Okay, so these are coins you can actually stake. These are tokens you can stake. These are the durations, and these are the APY, that's annual profit yield. Okay, so what that means is if these are percentages you are going to make for staking all these coins. Okay, that's using the APY calculation. So we are going to use one of them here as a sample so that you understand what we mean. For example, you want to stake, okay, you can click here to see all the other coins that you can actually stake on Binance. You can stake for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, okay? Depending on each of these, the coin you want to stake. You can stake BNB 30 days, 60 days, and you have 8% on the APY calculation, okay? So I'm going to show you something, and we are going to look at how, you can see their interest or profit yield varies. Okay, so depending on the particular coin you have that you want to stake, now you need to come down here and look at the coins you can actually stake on Binance. You can stake Shiba, you can stake all of these coins. Then you scroll down, you look at all the coins, then know the ones you have and the ones you probably want to hold for a long time. For example, you want to stake dots, that's polka dots, and maybe you have you can see, it's sold out. You can't stake dot at the moment because it's sold out already. Alright, you can't stake. Alright, you can only check to see what if they are giving you. So you can't stake. These ones you are seeing here now that are written sold out, you can't stake them at the moment. Alright, so but these other ones you have here like this, you can actually stake them. Okay, so you scroll down, you look at all the coins here. In case for example, you want to stake Cardona, which is ADA, you have 30%, 5%, you have 60 days, 30 days, 5.09%, 60 days, 7.79%, then 90 days, 90 days is sold out, then you have 60 days. Now look at what it means. Let's take a look at it. Now, you click on stake. Now, assuming you have ADA now. You have Cardano ADA, that's ADA. You want to stake ADA, for example, and you have, let's say for example, you have 1,000 pieces of ADA that you want to actually hold. You want to hold it for a long time. Alright. Okay. You want to hold it actually for a long time. Now, instead of just keeping this ADA in your wallet, maybe you want to hold it for the next 5 months, 1 year, 2 years. Instead of just holding 1,000, and it will remain 1,000, ADA after 1 year or 2 years. Okay. And you still have 1,000 ADA as long as it remains in your wallet. Now, staking this 1,000 ADA means you are investing your ADA, and that's your Cardano, and you are going to get some profit at the end of the staking period. So let's assume now the minimum you can stake here is 1 ADA. You can even stake 1. You can stake the maximum of money here, 500,000 ADA. So let's assume you have 1,000 ADA in your wallet, and just keeping it there means it will just remain 1,000 ADA. Now, if I choose to stake 1,000 ADA for 60 days, and I just click here, remember you are locking it for 60 days, that means you're not going to withdraw it for the next 60 days. Okay, and I choose to lock my 1,000 ADA here. Now, remember this is the staking period, this is the value date, okay? Now, interest period and all that. Now, the estimated APY, this is the estimated APY. Now, look at the estimated interest I'm going to get after the 60 days, which is 12.8 ADA. That means I'm going to get extra 12.8 pieces of ADA coin. Alright. So all I just need to do is to click here, confirm, and I'm staking. And once I click confirm, I've staked this coin. Remember, you can see here there is not enough asset in your balance. So I don't have up to 1,000 ADA. That is why this is showing that it's assuming I have up to 1,000 ADA, and I just stake the amount. And if you have, you can just say maximum, depending on whatever number you have, okay? You can just say maximum. You can just click on maximum. It will just put everything you have. So let's assume you put your 1,000 pieces of ADA, and for 60 days, we are going to have extra 12.8 pieces of ADA coin. That means after the 60 days, we are going to have 1,012.8 ADA instead of just having 1,000 ADA after 60 days. Now, that means you now have 1,012.8 ADA. So whatever the value of ADA is at the time expiration is what you cash out, or what the value you now have in your wallet. But that is how you can acquire extra coins, okay, by staking your coin. So instead of just, keeping your coin, holding them for a long time, you can actually stake them, and they will be making profit for you. You'll be earning extra coins by staking them. So that is how you can actually stake it. It's very simple. There is not complex. Just go to Binance and select the coin, type the amount of coin you want to, and the duration, 30 days. Let's assume we choose 30 days, you get extra 4 ADA. Now for 60 days, you are getting extra 12.8 ADA. So you just click confirm, you stake this coin for the next 60 days. So within the next, what happens is once you stake this coin will leave your wallet. Let me show you. Let's go back to wallet. Okay. It will leave your what do you call it, wallet, sorry, to leave your spot wallet, okay? You no longer see it in your spot wallet like the coins you have. You no longer see it there, okay? You no longer see the coins, alright? You no longer see them here. You no longer see it here, okay? So it will leave here and quickly now move to your N wallet. So you start seeing that particular coin that you just take in your N wallet, okay? So you start seeing it here in your N wallet. So that is how you can actually stake on Binance and make money investing your coin on Binance. Okay. Now, if you got value from this simple short video, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and like and click the bell icon. Get people, share it to your friends and get them to join to subscribe to. Thank you.